Hi guys, today we are going to learn about the immortal jellyfish. So, the immortal jellyfish is also called as the Toripterus thorni. I think it's Toripterus thorni, whatever. So, Toripterus thorni is like in immortal jellyfish. And by immortal, do you know what I mean? Yes, the immortal jellyfish is undying. Yeah, so unless it's eaten by whatever eats it, it's gonna stay alive. It's prey for, let's see, yeah, turtles. Turtles eat these things. So, what they do, right? If they don't have any, so they are fast growing creatures. They just and when the turtles comes to eat them, they just go off and hide by turning back to their baby form. They grow very fast. From stage 1 they go all the way to stage 2. From the baby they go to the juvenile, where it looks like a bit of a coral polyp, but it's not a coral polyp. From this coral polyp looking jellyfish, which is not going out. See, I think this part is the jellyfish. Here and here are its stingers. And that's the juvenile, and the adult is this. They move very slowly in the adult, everybody knows that. Yeah. And so, unless their only predator is a sea turtle, I think green sea or leatherback turtle. I'm not sure, whatever. So, no, I don't know why can they turn back, but unless something eats them, they can they will live on forever. So whenever the predator comes, they change from an adult not to the juvenile but the baby form and hide wherever they can find. The babies are the fastest in the whole Toripterus thorni whole, yeah, never mind. It's through this whole cycle the baby is the fastest. And see, I've got the lines all going there and there. So here is the starting. It goes all the way to stage 2 where it's a juvenile, to stage 3 where it's an adult, and goes back to stage 1 when we know it's in its dying position. So it's it's the animal you imagined. Yeah, animals are stronger than we can even imagine. Yeah, most of you think I would make an animal which would live on for 1,000,000 years. But nature has made is a jellyfish that can go on for hours. That's it can go on more than 1,000,000,000 years. Well, that's actually not going to happen, but because by that time sun will turn into a giant gas giant, or maybe it will burn out of that helium or whatever it's burning on. So it just will burn out after 5 million years or so, or maybe it's billion, I don't know. But these jellyfish, if Earth had a chance of surviving forever, and if these type of jellyfish would have no natural predators, then they would live for 1 Google years. Yeah, Google is the biggest number we've imagined now. Yeah, it can live forever, as I told you. Now, they mostly live from the mid sunlight zone to the high twilight zone. There are 3 zones. The sunlight zone where it is very sunny and many animals live there. The twilight zone where some animals live there, it's a bit dark, not very. And the midnight zone where it is dark, fully dark. You can hardly see anything. Most of the creatures there are bioluminescent, means they can glow. There are even such types of jellyfish that live there. But let's go back to Pteropus dhorni. Yeah. So, like any jellyfish, this is how it looks when adult. But yeah, this is how it looks. The size of this thing, I think, is like full size will be as big as two of a child's heads, maybe three children heads. Yeah, I would seriously still look very gross. 3 children head. Never mind. That's it. So, like the biggest species of jellyfish, which I don't know which is it. I think it must have been that one of those bioluminescent jellyfish. Maybe, I'm not sure. But this is totally not one. So, yeah. So, So, Pteropus dhorni is a very hard name to remember, also very long. But sometimes, do you know? So sometimes we make some jokes about Pteropus dhorni. Sometimes me and my family. Not that it's bad. It's only that if you live in India, you've obviously heard of that famous football player. If you can guess the name, yeah, it sounds like that. Only remove the R. But never mind. Let's get back here. So the whole life cycle is amazing. It I'm not sure how long it takes. It might take like a day, a week or so, sometime, but even more than that maybe. But I do know, unlike other jellyfish, this type of jellyfish grows faster. Not like, I don't think it grows that fast, but yeah, it can grow fast. So I know that this might, you just saying that this is to get views and everything, subscribers and everything, but seriously, it's real. Ask all of these website apps like Google, Chrome, whatever stuff. Ask them and you'll see this is real. Now I know it seems like impossible, but nature's forces can create anything. Like there's an animal that can go up to almost 200 kilometers per hour, and you might obviously know of the animal that can change colors. Yeah, chameleons. So thank you for watching today's video about learning about that immortal jellyfish, the undying, immortal Pteropus dhorni jellyfish. Thank you for learning about it. Please subscribe to my video. Please subscribe to my channel to watch more videos. Bye.